Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Talk with Jeremy. Today we're in my new studio. Please let me know what you think as we're getting this set up. There's gonna be changes here and there as we kind of get it dialed in, but this is kind of the start of the new studio. So let me know what you think. Today what we're gonna do is we're going to talk about the DDCAfor garage door opener remote. So it comes with two. They're very small, but the reason why we went with these is when we have family and friends over, instead of giving them like a key to our front door, we just give them a garage door opener because we go in and out of our garage. That's how we get in and out of our house. And so when we have company over, whether it be family or friends, staying in our completed basement, we give them one of these so they can kind of come and go as they please. Now, as you can see on Amazon, it's currently $15.99, so it's 20% off. It's part of Prime Overnight, so you can get it next day, and it's just a really good deal. They also have a version where it has three, so if you have a bigger family or if you want to get it for your kids that are driving, $25.99, so not bad at all. But it works with the LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman garage door openers. So if you have one of those big name brands, we have the Chamberlain. It works really well. But we'll go ahead and get into what's in the box, and then we'll do a video on what's how easy it is to set up. Okay, so here is what comes in the box for the DDCAfor garage door opener remotes. It is a 2-pack, and it comes with basically just the 2 remotes. It comes with a user manual that's very easy to follow, and that's what we got in the box. All right, so as you can see, not a whole lot in the box, right? Just very simple product that works, which is the stuff that I love. So now we're gonna get into that video where I'm gonna show you how we get it all set up. All right, guys, so in our garage, we have the Chamberlain garage door opener. So what we have to do is we have to open this guy up, and then on the inside here, there's actually a learn button. So you can kind of see it right there. We're gonna press this, and that light's gonna come on. And then we'll come back down. All right. So that learn button's on, and then to learn it on here, you gotta hold both these down. And this button right there, see how it came on? So now I want this bottom one to be the one that learns. Oh, and see, the light kind of switched. It's as easy as that. That's how easy it is for this garage door opener to learn the Chamberlain code. And you just press it, and it goes. All right, we're gonna show you just another angle of this garage door opener working. It's amazing. All right, so now you see how easy it is to get this set up. Let me know in the comments what you think. Very simple product to get set up. That just works. It works fantastic. So if you're like us and you give, a key, or if you give a garage door opener to family and friends that come over to visit, and if they're gonna be staying with you, this is definitely a good option for you. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know when we have new videos coming out. There will be some links down in the description if you'd like to purchase one of these. It does help the channel out. That's our Amazon affiliate links. So we really appreciate that. But we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.